Hi everybody, welcome back to Armcandy. We have got a Louis Vuitton fans favourite today. So this is a Louis Vuitton Neverfull. It is a size MM, which in my opinion is the perfect size. So it's the medium size. It's in that classic Louis Vuitton monogram coated canvas. So just a very iconic, classic looking Louis Vuitton bag. We've got double top handles, and we've got these adjustable side laces as well. You can have them like this, where they're quite loose, or you can have them kind of cinched in as well. We've got a clip top closure, and then we've got this gorgeous hot pink pinstripe lining on the inside, and we've got one zipped pocket. And underneath this zipped pocket, if you just lift it up, you can see the little leather tab there. So the date code is embossed to there. This one is from 2020, so pretty new. The condition of it, we have called very good. The exterior and the interior, very good. It's in a really, really nice condition. There's not really anything for me to point out on the canvas. That is all in a really nice condition. The reason we've called it very good is you can just see where the leather has just started to kind of patina a little bit. It's got some marking on it. There's a little bit of a dark mark just on the trim here. So really slight wear to the leather, but you can see it's still really nice and bright. So that's the way we've called it very good condition. The interior, again, we've called very good condition. There is just a little bit of marking on this fabric lining. So you can see, I'm just gonna get an angle so you can see it. A little bit of a mark just here. But other than that, that fabric lining is in a gorgeous condition. So that's why we've called it very good. And then the hardware, we've called excellent. There's not much hardware, it's just kind of these little studs and loops, but there is nothing for me to point out for you for the condition there. They are in a gorgeous condition, so that's why we've called those very excellent, sorry. If you'd like to know the exact measurements of this Neverfull, again, it's a size MM, but some more exact details are going to be on our website. Quickest way to get to this bag on our website is to click the link in the description below. It's the link to shop, so it should hopefully take you straight to this bag. If it doesn't and it just takes you to our generic product page, I'm really sorry, that does mean it has sold, but I know how popular these are. I'm sure it will go really quickly. So if you've missed out on it this time, let us know and we'll get you on our request list for one. And then next time we have one in, you'll be one of the first to know. I'll show you what it comes with. So we've got the Louis Vuitton dust bag, and then we've also got a Louis Vuitton envelope. And inside here, we've got gift tag and Louis Vuitton ribbon. So I'll just take that ribbon off so you can see the gift tag as well. We've got that gift tag there. And then we've also got Louis Vuitton returns info and compliment card. And finally, we've got a little fabric card in there as well. And then we also have the Louis Vuitton box for it too. So the exact measurements are on the website, like I said before, but I'm going to show you the size on me for reference. So I'll just step back and show you. I'm a size UK 10 and I'm 5'4", and it's just the perfect tote shopper everyday bag. You can get a lot into here. It's a size medium, but it's got loads of space in it. And for such an iconic kind of classic Louis Vuitton bag, I think the monogram coated with canvas is just perfect. Just looks effortlessly cool. So go to the link in the description below, have a look at it on our website, have a look at all of our other gorgeous Louis Vuitton we've got on there as well. And don't forget to sign up to our newsletter. We're on there, we will send you through your welcome discount code. Also have a look at the How to Sell With Us page. Have a look at that page if you're interested in selling your pre-loved designer bags. And don't forget while you're here to like this video and subscribe to our channel, hit the alert button, and we will be back very soon with some more gorgeous bags.